Source: Nick Sutrich, Android Central. What you need to know. Google loves to throw apps at the wall, see what sticks, then scrape up the failures and throw them onto the successes as a garnish. It's taken that approach, with its messaging apps, reader apps, and productivity apps, among others. On Thursday, Google announced that Google Currents would be the latest tool to get Frankenstein onto another service. Currents, originally the branding for a social magazine app replaced by Google Play Newsstand in 2013, later became a G Suite app where users could have meaningful discussions and interactions by sharing information and tagging people in a collaborative space, similar to a Slack channel. Announced in 2019, it replaced Google in July 2020. Sponsored links. KRT Karsam KSD CBW Mimi Kakai KXib Fang. Karsam Thailand. Click TNI. Now, Google plans to pivot more of its efforts to Google Spaces and transition Currents users into its new ecosystem. It will bring remaining content and communities over to the new Spaces experience by 2023, though a specific month isn't given. Android 13 Preview 1. What's new? What's coming in the next version of Android? Check out our hands-on with the first Android 13 Tiramisu developer preview build. 0 seconds of 54 seconds, volume 0%. Google Currents. Source: Google. If your organization is using Currents, well, share a timeline for opting into data migration and other milestones in the coming months, as well as guidance to assist with the transition, Google says. The Verge spotted a migration help page saying it would remove rarely used features like popular tags, follower counts, push notifications, and post analytics in Q1 2022. Ironically, Google killed Spaces in 2017, just a year after launching it as a Slack competitor, then replaced Google Rooms with a Google Spaces in 2021. Used in tandem with a Google Chat, these Spaces also function much like Slack channels, only with better incorporation of other Google Workspace apps like Docs and Sheets for collaborative editing. People preparing to transition from Currents to Spaces can find the new service on Gmail between Chat and Meet. It supports inline topic threading, presence indicators, custom statuses, reactions, collapsible views, and the ability to link to and integrate files and tasks within the chat. Google Currents has over 6 million ratings on the Play Store, which seems to show a decent level of engagement for any app. But evidently, it wasn't enough to help it escape Google's graveyard. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Protect yourself. Not sure what two-factor authentication is? We're here to help. You should use two-factor authentication on every account that offers it. Here's an explainer of what it is and why you want it. Reincarnation. Don't look away. MoviePass will watch you to check if you're watching ads. MoviePass, the cinema subscription service that went bankrupt in 2019, is relaunching this summer with new subscription tiers and ads-based credits. Anyone for dessert. Google reveals Android 13 dessert name in first developer preview build. Google's first Android 13 developer preview build designates the new Android version with the dessert name. Charging on the go. These are the best Google Pixel 6 card chargers right now. In celebration of the new Google Pixel 6 hitting shelves, we've rounded up a list of the best USB-C compatible card chargers for Google Pixel 6 on the market right now.